See, always your date of birth is a seed in your life. Whatever there present in your date of birth, same thing only reflects in your overall life. It may be your career, it may be your relationship, it may be your financial status or a suffering. Everything is already predestined in your date of birth. Suppose, see, let's go for DNA activation. What is this DNA activation? See, you are born out of your father's cell and the mother's cell. So with these two combination, the energy is generated and you are the output of that energy. Okay, you are born out of the energy. So this cell carries the 7th generation data of your ancestors, and this side, mother side and the father side, the cell carries, or your cell carries the 7th generation data from this side, father side, and the 7th generation data from this mother side. Whatever your ancestors had done bad to the many people or bad karmas if they have done, that will be reflected in your date of birth and you will be suffering because of that. Example to say Sarpadosha, you have not beaten any kind of snake, but you will be facing Sarpadosha in your date of birth. If you go and ask them, they will say your ancestors have beaten some snake, that's why it is reflecting in your date of birth. It may be disease if you take it, diabetic or any cancer or any kind of disease, hormonal imbalance, everything. First the doctor asks whether your father has, mother has. Why? Because your cell is carrying each and every data and information in your body. So now the science has come up with lot of spiritual tools like how to activate this DNA. So this is called Vijay Pataka Yantra. This yantra is given to the kings in the earlier stage when they were used to rule the kingdom. What this Vijay Pataka Yantra does is, when it is placed under your date of birth, like your whole date of birth is reset. Whatever the karmic past, we are carrying that karmic, bad karmas from my ancestors, that will be erased. You can ask me how it will be erased. Example, in your phone, if your phone is in a problem or it's not working, the factory reset will be done. Just one button, your whole data is gone. The phone will become like a new phone. Everything we have to install new, like that. So this Vijaya Pataka Yantra is consists of 64 yoginis. It's powerfully made by our rishis, and when this yantra is kept inside your date of birth, when we do the activation, your date of birth will be reset. Whatever you are suffering, whatever your karmic from the ancestors, that will be erased and your date of birth will be reactivated.